Hi everyone, it's Aiden and Mom, and we're looking at the mini Jupiter Kinetic that Aiden got today. We're going to unbox it. It's by Toysmith.
This is the item that I picked up from the Toy Explorer store at the Science Museum of Minnesota.
That's right, today. So we're going to unbox it, and we got the front, the side, other side, top, bottom, and the back. Now we're going to open it. Here we go. Look at, there we go. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful?
Yes.
There's the instructions. That's how we use it. There we go. Well, thanks for joining us. We hope you had a good time. We'll see you later. Bye-bye. The end.